How to find the T21 file for H&R Block tax. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for hrblock.com and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Normally, H&R Block data files are located in the Documents folder in a subfolder called HR Block. If you cannot find your file there, you can find the location of any H&R Block data file on your computer by following these steps. From your desktop, type Command+N for MacBook to open a Finder window. In the search box, type TXX, and the XX is the year of the tax data you are looking for. So this is how you can find the T21 file for H&R Block tax. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.